Welcome to my life moments and experience of China. Nothing staged, nothing scripted. I am sure that if you have never been to China, you always hear bad news and negative news about China. Well, I do product sourcing, e-commerce and drop shipping. I visit trade fairs, I visit exhibitions, I visit factories and share my experience and moments. If you have not subscribed and you want to know more about China, please do so now. And what do the US tariffs, the US trade and economic war mean for the Chinese manufacturing industry? I think really, according to my opinion, is not going to affect it as much as is being exaggerated, because the Chinese economy is a strong economy on its own. It's got a very strong and stable domestic market that when you go to exhibitions and you go to trade fairs, most of the people you see there buying manufacturing products and manufacturing equipment are mainly Chinese and southern and eastern countries. The Western people you see at trade fairs, trade shows and exhibitions will be there to buy the finished products. So the Chinese manufacturing industry is still strong, and the West, and especially and in particular the US, will always need the Chinese products. Please subscribe and drop your comment below.